Okay students, in previous class we was discussing about oxidation number of acid comma bases. Acid is a substance which can easily donation of H plus ions. Examples are HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4. అంటే గత క్లాస్లో మనము ఆమ్లం అంటే చూసాం. అంటే ఒక సమ్మేళనం అనేది H ప్లస్ అయాన్లను దానం చేస్తే దాన్ని ఆమ్లం అని పిలుస్తాము. దానికి ఉదాహరణగా HCl, HNO3, H2SO గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. The base is a substance which can easily donation of hydroxy groups. OH మైనస్ అయాన్లను దానం చేసేటువంటి సమ్మేళనాలను మనం అక్కడ బేసిస్గా పిలవడం జరిగింది. The base examples are NaOH, KOH, magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. Today class we discussing about the oxidation number of salt and cation and anion molecules. First definition of salt. Salt nothing but when acid is react with base to give salt plus water. When acid is react with base better, then to give the water comma salt, and this reaction it is known as neutral reaction. This reaction is known as a neutral reaction. In neutral reaction, salt is formed. How it is formed? When acid is react with base to give the salt. Example, here I take the hydrochloric acid HCl, base is sodium hydroxide. Base is sodium hydroxide. These two are combination. Here what happen beta? H is react with OH, loss of H2O, then sodium react with chlorine to give NaCl. Here NaCl is a salt. NaCl is a salt. I take more one example. I take nitric acid is acid. It is react with potassium hydroxide KOH. HNO3 is nitric acid is react with potassium hydroxide. In the acid, H is react with OH group of base. Then loss of H2O, potassium is react with nitrate to give potassium nitrate. Here sodium chloride, potassium chlorides are examples of salt only. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium nitrates are examples of salt only. And we discuss the more example for salts. The salt examples are sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride. Okay beta. Next one, sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate, etc. So these all are examples for which one beta salt only. Simply, the salt is formed by combination of acid, comma, bases only. Now here we calculate the oxidation state of different elements present in the salt. అంటే మనకు సాల్ట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ సాల్ట్ లో ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క ఆక్సిడేషన్ స్టేట్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. So here I take some examples. The examples are like NaCl, KCl, MgCl and etc. beta. So here take some examples. Some examples are sodium chloride. We calculate the oxidation state of sodium. Next to sodium nitrate. We calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. We take the calcium carbonate. Here we calculate the oxidation state of carbon. Aluminium nitrate. Okay, here we calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. Okay, beta. Next one, we take the Fe2CO3 taken twice. Here we calculate the oxidation state of carbon. Okay. Next, these all are the example for salt beta. Here we calculate the oxidation state of the underlying elements in the given salt only. First one, NaCl. Number of sodium atom is 1. The number of chlorine atom is 1 present in the NaCl salt. So in this salt, number of sodium is Na1, number of chlorine is equal to 1. This molecule don't have any charges, therefore it is equal to 0. Here we calculate the oxidation state of sodium. Let its oxidation state is X plus the oxidation state of chlorine is always minus 1 only. So it is equal to 0 since the Cl oxidation state is minus 1. Now here we do the simplification. The simplification is 1 into x plus into minus. So 1 1 is equal to 0 beta. Then so x is equal to, so minus 1 take to this side, it becoming positive. So it is equal to 0 plus 1. That implies x is equal to plus 1. So oxidation state of sodium is plus 1 because metal oxidation state is always positive. Here we get positive value. The positive value is plus 1 only. We take the second example. The second example is sodium nitrate. So NaNO3, it is a molecule. In NaNO3, we calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen atom. Number of sodium is 1, number of nitrogen is 1, the number of oxygen atoms are 3. Now we write the individual atoms, that is 1 into Na plus 1 into N plus, so 3 into oxygen is equal to 0. That implies the sodium oxidation state is always plus 1 only. So here oxidation sodium is 1 plus oxidation state of nitrogen is X only. Because here we calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. nitrogen atom, plus the oxidation state of oxygen is always -2. Now here we do the calculation. The calculation is 1 ones are 1 plus x into 1 x plus into minus only. So 3 2s are beta 6 is equal to 0. Next one, x minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to, so plus 5 plus 0, x is equal to how much beta? Plus 5. The oxidation state of nitrogen atom is plus 5. Yes or no? Nitrogen belongs to fifth group. Therefore, nitrogen is loss of 5 electrons. Then the oxidation state of nitrogen is how much beta? Plus 5 only. Next we take the CaCO3. The CaCO3 compound name is calcium carbonate. So in the calcium carbonate we calculate the oxidation state of which one beta? Carbon. So CaCO3. Calcium atom is 1, carbon atom is 1, oxygen atoms are 3. Are we ready to do the atoms? So 1 into calcium, 1 into carbon plus 3 into oxygen is equal to 0. The oxidation state of calcium is 2 only because it belongs to secondary group element. Then it is oxidation state is equal to plus 2 plus the oxidation state of carbon is X plus 3 into the oxidation state of oxygen atom is equal to -2. Now we do the calculation. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 into x plus into minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0 beta. Next one beta, minus 6 plus 2 is equal to -4, means x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to -4 to take this side beta. The minus will convert into plus 0 plus 4. That implies x is equal to how much beta? 4. Then carbon, the oxidation state is equal to plus 4. Yes or no? Carbon is belongs to fourth group. Then it is oxidation state is equal to plus 4. So similarly, you calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen in aluminum nitrate. Then you calculate the oxidation state of carbon in ferric carbonate. Okay, so this is about the oxidation state of salt. So next we discussing about the oxidation state of cation molecules and anion molecules. But what is the mean by so cation molecules and anion molecules? If any one molecule which having negative charge, there are known as negative molecules. The molecules which having positive charge, there are known as cation molecules. Nothing but the molecule which having positive charge, there are known as cation molecules. Nothing but positive molecules only. The molecules which having negative charge, there are known as anion molecules or negative molecules. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ మాలిక్యూల్ పైన మనకు పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఉండవచ్చు, నెగటివ్ చార్జ్ ఉండవచ్చు. When the molecule having positive charge, they are known as cation molecules or positive molecules. Some molecules having negative charge, they are known as negative molecules. So now we take some positive molecules and negative molecules. Then we calculate the oxidation state of elements in cation molecule and anion molecule. Here take one example. So the example is NH4 plus. NH4 plus. So it is known as ammonium molecule. So it is positive molecule because NH4 is a molecule or a molecule. What is the charge there beta? Plus is there. So it is example for which one beta? So positive molecule or cation molecule only. In this molecule we calculate the oxidation state of which one beta? Nitrogen element. అంటే ఈ మాలిక్యూల్ కనుక తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ మాలిక్యూల్లో మనకు నైట్రోజన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది, హైడ్రోజన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి we calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. In this molecule, the number of nitrogen atoms is 1, the number of hydrogen atoms are 4. First we write that individual atoms present in NH4 plus 1 nitrogen. So then 4 hydrogens is equal to not 0 because if this molecule having how much charge beta? Positive charge. The positive charge is equal to how much beta? 1 unit. Nothing but plus 1 unit. In the before cases, the molecules don't have any charges. Then the is equal to 0. But in this example, the NH4 having positive charge, so is equal to plus 1 only. Here we calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen. Let it is oxidation state is X plus 4 into hydrogen oxidation state is 1 is equal to 1 beta. Plus 1 is nothing but 1 only. 1 into X, X, 4 into 1, 4 is equal to 1. That is plus, X is equal to plus 1 minus 4. Nothing but X is equal to how much beta? Minus 3. Here the oxidation state of so nitrogen is equal to how much beta? Minus 3. Means it is gaining of how many electrons beta? 3 electrons. So due to the reason the oxidation state of nitrogen is equal to minus 3. Next we take some negative molecules and we calculate the oxidation state. The negative molecules examples are nitrate, sulfate, acetate, next one phosphate, permanganate, oxide, etc. Can I take some examples, sir? Carbonate. It is known as carbonate. Second one is nitrate. The third one is sulfate. Fourth one is acetate. Formula is CH3COO minus. The fifth one is phosphate. Formula is PO4 power minus 3. Okay, beta. Next chromate. Formula is Cr2O7 power minus 2. Seventh one is permanganate. So MnO4 power minus 1. Okay, beta. Eighth one is bicarbonate. Ninth one is sulfoid. sulfate having -2, acetate having -1, phosphate having -3, chromate having so nothing but dichromate having so -2, permanganate having -1, etc. only. In these negative molecules, we calculate the oxidation state of elements. The carbonate calculate the oxidation state of carbon. In second example, in the nitrate, we calculate the oxidation state of nitrate. In the sulfate, we calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. In the acetate, we calculate the oxidation state of carbon atoms. In the phosphate, we calculate the oxidation state of phosphorus. In the dichromate, we can calculate the oxidation state of chromium. In the permanganate, we calculate the oxidation state of manganese. Bicarbonate, we can calculate the oxidation state of carbon. And the last one, the sulfide, we can calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. These 9 examples are most important for intermediate public examination for 2 marks questions. So in the 2 marks question, what happened beta? Calculate the oxidation state of underlying elements present in the given examples. First we take the carbonate. So carbonate is CO3 power -2. It is carbonate formula. In the carbonate, carbon atom is 1, oxygen atoms are 3 only. Now we can write individual atoms present in a negative molecule. 1 carbon plus 3 oxygens is equal to, on the molecule, how much negative charge is there beta? -2. Means is equal to -2. Clear? 1 carbon, 3 oxygens is equal to -2. If we calculate the oxidation state of carbon, let oxidation state of carbon is X plus the oxidation state of oxygen atom is -2 and is equal to -2 beta. 1 into x is nothing but x only, plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to -2. We want value of x from this equation. We can write subject is x only. That's why minus it take to this side beta. So it becomes x is equal -2 plus 6, nothing but -2 plus 6 is nothing but 4. Therefore, the oxidation state of carbon is equal to +4 beta. Clear? This is for oxidation state of carbon present in a carbonate molecule. Next one is nitrate. So nitrate is NO3 power -1. So 1 nitrogen atom, 3 oxygen atoms. That implies 1 into N plus 3 into oxygen is equal to -1. Let of the oxidation state of nitrogen. If we calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen, let the oxidation state is equal to X. So 1 into X plus 3 into -2 is equal to -1 only. So 1 into X, X plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to -1. That implies X is equal to -1 plus 6, X is equal to +5. So the oxidation state of nitrogen is +5. Yes or no? Yes or no? Next I take more one example is dichromate. The dichromate we can calculate the oxidation state of chromium. How many chromium atoms are there? equal to -2 only. Here we calculate oxygen state of chromium. Let it is oxidation state is equal to x. So 2 into x plus 7 into oxygen is -2 is equal to minus 2 into x, 2x plus into minus 7 to the 14 is equal to -2. Next one, the 2x plus 14 take to this side beta. The minus 14 is converted to plus 14. That implies 2 plus how much beta? Plus 14. But it have 2 minus only. So 2x is equal to 14 minus 2, nothing but 12. X is equal to 12 by 2 because 2 is multiplication of x come to become a division of which one beta? 12. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. X is equal to how much beta? 6. Means the dichromate is loss of so how many electrons beta? 6 electrons only. So this is about negative molecules and the oxygen state of different elements which are present in the like this molecule only. So this is about the oxygen state of salts and cations and anions only. Okay beta, so this is about today class beta. The next class we discuss about more basics point in the chemistry. So thank you beta.